FX Legendary go to your mentor, guys. Real accounts only, as you can see. Check this out, guys. So I'm not going to talk too much, guys. So I'm using my smartphone, as you can see. FX Legendary Coach. Yeah, I'm using a phone, guys, basically trading. So as you can see, we're killing the market. It's a real account, guys, as you can see. Real accounts only. So we killed Euro USD, guys. As you can see, we're going bearish, guys. We killed, guys. We killed. Euro USD is dead. So FX Legendary go to your mentor, guys. Real accounts only, as you can see. So I'm not going to say too much. Hey you, FX Legendary go to your mentor, guys. Are you making the money or what? Are you making the money or what, guys? FX Legendary go to your mentor. Just some young, some young shit, FX Legendary go to your mentor, guys. FX Legendary go to your mentor, guys. Make money, trade and withdraw, guys. Trade then withdraw, guys. This is just the Mandela is going to be happy.